guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video today I am announcing something pretty big. I am starting a brand new series called Mickey Ear Monday. That means every Monday I am going to be uploading a video about some new Mickey ears that I am making. We have a lot in store for the future. We're going to be making dupes, we're going to be making some expensive, some affordable, some stuff you've never seen before. If y'all like this idea, please hit that like button. Also, if y'all had any suggestions at all or any ideas or what you would like to see in the future, please leave those comments down below. I will go through those and see what I can make happen. We have a lot in store for you. Hoping that my sister will tag along. Y'all might even see a few videos made by her. But yeah, today I'm showing y'all how I made these. And I think that's it. I think that's all I wanted to say. So let's get right into this video and see how these were made.